set up my brackets first. Okay, so there will be trinomial. You're going to have two brackets. The first term in each bracket is what is going to be multiplied to give you the first term. So we know x times x gives you x squared. Now, we need to look at the factors of minus 12. If you multiply them, they're going to give you minus 12. But when you add them, they're going to give you the middle term, which is plus 1. Now, with the number 12, we have the factors of 6 and 2, and we also have 3 and 4, and 1 and 12. But the only option that will give us plus 1 when we add them is plus 4 and minus 3. And I can check if that is correct by multiplying the plus 4 times the minus 3, and it does in fact give me minus 12. So that is how to factorize your simple trinomial.